Gives you anything, take it back. If he's running, there's nothing you can do. So yeah, if you can, reel it in. When he runs, let him go. Probably a shark. You can work down the beach if you need to, if it helps. Linda thinks she's got something big. Is he stripping line off?
Doing it again.
Yeah, well that's what they do. Oh, it's a nice shark.
It is?
Yeah.
Shut up.
No.
Not like how big?
A couple feet. He's going to strip off line when he gets in close again. I am not,
I don't see him.
because he's deep. I'm going to not take this off the line for you. See him?
No. How far out is he?
He's going to run. Right there. I can see him.
I see.
You're right in that,
Oh my God, look at that.
it's a big hammerhead.
Oh my God.
It's a hammerhead. It's not a bad one. Holy cow, that's the biggest one I've ever caught. I've seen caught.
What should I do? Should I?
If you can bring him in, bring him up.
Should I like drag it in?
If you can. Oh, there he goes.
I gotta get him in.
Yeah. You got him in that surf. Don't try to bring him in this, because all that rushing out water is going to help him.
Oh my God.
Nice.
There's almost no line coming, but God, he's not like...
Drag him over now.
Oh no! We got him? Oh my God, look at that!
I'll go get the nippers here. You want to get some food?
Did you take any?
Yeah, it's going now.
Oh my God, look at that! My first hammerhead shark.